Opo.
I'd like to make a motion that we invite Commissioner Rubio to attend this hearing because itong si attorney, wala siyang alam eh. Di ba, wala kang alam? Am I right, attorney?
Wala siyang alam sa TARA.
May I be clarified, Your Honor?
Yeah, you're clarifying na. Wala kang alam, di ba?
Your
Sa
Honor,
TARA system, wala kang alam, di ba?
I have no information on that, Your Honor.
Wala kang alam.
Kaya si Chairman...
Wala kang alam, di ba?
Oo, wala. Wala siyang alam.
Oh. Mr. Chair, para hindi ako maniwala na ikaw ang fall guy ng Bureau of Customs, we would like to see Commissioner Rubio attend this hearing.
Okay.
Panahon pa ni Commissioner Paldon, andiyan ka na eh, sa Customs, Mr. Chair. Panahon pa ni Commissioner Paldon, Commissioner La Peña, nandun ka na sa Customs, and you're telling me right now you have no information on that? My goodness, anong palagay mo sa amin dito? Ha?
Mr. Chair, can I answer?
Okay.
I've been with the Bureau of Customs with the legal service since 2009. Yes, I've been one of the lawyers of Commissioner La Peña and Commissioner Faldon, Your Honor. Always with the legal service. Your Honor, please. Thank you.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Okay.
Comsec, please include in the
Mr.
list
Chair.
of persons to be invited, Commissioner Rubio of Bureau of Customs. Yes, Congressman Acop, with the indulgence of...
With the indulgence of the Honorable Castro. Attorney, para bang ang sinasabi mo, yung ibang opisina ng Customs may TARA system, o alam nila yung TARA system, pero yung legal office ng Customs, walang alam. Yun po ba ang ibig nyo sabihin? Tinatanong ko po kayo. Kasi yun ang parang message na pinadadala o sinasabi nyo sa amin. Palagi mong sinasabi, you are with the legal service of the Bureau of Customs. Para bang sinasabi mo, lahat, yung mga ibang opisina ng Bureau of Customs, alam nila, o may TARA system, yung opisina nyo lang ang wala. Would that be correct?
Your Honor, from the testimonies of...
What? Ang tanong ko po would that be correct, attorney?
Can I explain, Your Honor? Because from the testimonies of Commissioner Faldon and Commissioner La Peña, Your Honor, it involves the processing of
That is not my
importations,
question,
Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman. May I ask that the resource person appropriately answer my question? Is that the message you're trying to tell us? Na yung legal service office ng Bureau of Customs, wala pong kaalam-alam sa existing na TARA system sa Bureau of Customs?
For the record, Your Honor, I mean, from our record, Your Honor, we are trying administrative cases.
Hindi ko po
And-
tinatanong
and-
kung ano po yung trabaho niyo, attorney.
And, Your Honor, please.
Sandali lang. Nagsasalita pa ako. Malapit na kitang i-move to cite you in contempt. Bihira kong ginagawa yun, pero ikaw malapit ka na. Mr. Chair, may I request that the resource person be directed to answer my question with a yes or no?
Attorney, please answer the query of Congressman Acop.
Then my answer is yes, Your Honor.
It's yes na kayo po sa legal service ng Bureau of Customs, wala kayong alam at walang TARA system doon sa inyo.
Can I explain, Your Honor?
Sumagot ka na muna bago ka mag-explain. Di ba? Pag may question yes. Tinuruan ka rin siguro sa law na sagutin mo muna ng yes and then you explain.
Okay, my answer is yes, Your Honor, because in the current cases that we handle, particularly on administrative cases, Your Honor, we don't have a case wherein a individual personnel of the BOC is charged with a TARA system or receiving TARA system. Even the criminal cases that we handle with the DOJ and criminal in the court, Your Honor, As far as the records or my knowledge is concerned, Your Honor, we don't have a case on that, Your Honor. So that's why I have suggested earlier on, Your Honor, about the circumstances that Mr. Taguba mentioned, Your Honor. Sorry, Your Honor, that's...
Mr. Chair, I do not want to take more of the time of the Honorable Castro. I'll stop here.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Congressman Akop. Let me just get 30 seconds of your
Okay.
time, if I may. Just
Ay.
a follow-up question. Kasi ang legal department that Attorney Langkay heads, apparently, according to him, has no knowledge about the TARA system. Tanungin kaya natin yung nagbibigay ng TARA. Mark Taguba, inamin mo naman na ang kasalanan mo ay yung nagbibigay ka ng TARA, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, kasama ba ang legal department sa TARA?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Okay, so thank you. Now you may proceed, Congresswoman Castro.
Okay, so related po sa command responsibility, no. Kanina, Mr. Chair, inamin naman ng former commissioners natin dito, no, si former Commissioner Faeldon and La Peña about the TARA at alam nila 'yon. So gaano po ba ito kalawak itong sinasabing lagayan system dito sa BOC? Sabihin ko ng lagayan system para para po mas malinaw sa mga nakikinig sa atin kasi magkaiba yung may dalawang definition kasi ang TARA, no. So Commissioner, gaano kalawak ang TARA system dito sa BOC? Kasi inamin nyo, meron nung panahon ninyo. So hanggang saan ba yan? Umaabot ba yan hanggang sa inyo? Yung mga lagayan system na yan. So ganun din po yung tanong ko kay Commissioner, former Commissioner La Peña.
Yung last question, ma'am, hindi po umabot sa akin. Pero gaano kalawak, I believe malawak po. Kasi ito yung, bigla ko lang ng premise, ma'am, para makita nyo how big the TARA system is at gaano siya ka-prevalent. For my first 6 months, I asked the 12,000 importers and brokers to submit to us list of BOC officials that received TARA. I think until today, wala pang nagsasubmit. So it's a tango. Sayaw to ng dalawa. That's why nakakatakot, mami, kasi walang willing na magreklamong importer and broker. So that's why this
Sige.
TARA system continues
Siyempre po,
to exist.
Sige, putulin ko po kayo doon, Siyempre po, walang magsasabi ng gano'n dahil magkakadamayan yung nagbibigay ng TARA at tumatanggap ng lagay. So, pero kayo po as responsible, most responsible po sa BOC, na kayo yung chair, o commissioner, chief commissioner, kayo yung meron dapat na initiative na dapat na mag-imbestiga. Kasi hindi nyo pwedeng sabihin na kahit na alam nyo yan, tapos yung broker, sila mismo ang tatanungin ninyo. Di ba? Dapat, dahil meron din naman kayo sigurong alam sa intelligence, dapat kayo po yung nag-iimbestiga. So hindi nyo po pwedeng ipaubaya doon sa mga broker or doon sa mga nagbibigay ng TARA. Tama po ba ako? Kayo yung command responsibility doon Kayo yung may command doon sa BOC.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir
Tama
Chair.
po. Nag-imbestiga ako during my time. That's why I delisted more than 4,000 importers and brokers. But prosecuting them is another thing, ma'am, because without witnesses and evidence directly showing that nagbibigay sila, ang hirap mag-prosecute, ma'am. But in my term, the best I could have done is to delist them, yung more than 4,000. Ang hirap kasi kung walang mag-aamin na importer and broker na ito si Commissioner Faeldon, binigyan ko ng 5,000 na TARA. So yun yung panawagan ko since day one, and I still calling all the importers and brokers until today na please come forward, help the country. Isumbong nila yung kasayawan nila, katango nila sa loob ng customs. Because talagang we are losing so much money every day.
Yes, mukhang kulang po, Mr. Chair, yung ginawa po ni Chairman Faeldon doon sa meron kayong 4,000 importers, meron kayong dinilist. Di ba katulad ng ginagawa ng PNP or PIDEA, nagkakaroon ng, ano ba yun? Parang siniset up o nagkakaroon ng within. Sa inyo po, paano ba mag-imbestiga kung talagang merong naglalagay or tumatanggap? So, doon sa 4,000 na dinilistan nyo at doon din sa mga empleyado ng BOC, wala po kayong na-apprehend. At tingin ko kulang ang ginawa ninyo ang commissioner, no, doon sa effort ninyo. Kasi this is graft and corruption eh. Pinanatili natin ang graft and corruption by not doing something. O kung meron man kayong ginagawang something, kulang, Mr. Chair. Si Commissioner La Peña.
Thank you, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Well, when I was the commissioner, as I've said earlier, I have talked with the importers, and that's one of the input, the feedback that was given me. And then I asked them also, can you help me address this problem? But nobody came forward. So what I did was to reshuffle yung mga tao na sa mga opisina. And then I told the collectors that if you do not hit your target, you will be replaced. At which I did just that. And then at the end of the year, I did not have, I just have about 1 year. I have a surplus collection of 18 billion pesos. So it worked. But what I'm recommending is
Meron po kayong, Mr. Chair, may nahuli kayo na naglalagay at saka tumatanggap ng lagay?
none, Your Honor. Because
Kahit po
nobody
ba,
wants to...
Mr. Chair, ito kulang din, Mr. Chair. No, alam nila yung existing na problem. Graft and corruption yun eh, yung lagay system eh. Alam, pero yung effort po nung ating nasa mataas na pwesto po ng BOC ay hindi yun, hindi yun nagawa na masupil. So katulad pala, naalala ko na, yung ginagawa ng PIDEA, PNP, kung talagang gusto nilang mahuli po talaga, diba? Katulad ng parang buy-bust operation. Sana may ginawa kayo sa loob ninyo, sa BOC, kung gusto niyo talagang masolve itong TARA system na ito. Kasi alam niyo naman na meron eh. Ayan, nagsasabi na nga yung broker, tsaka yung legal lang nga hindi alam, kayo alam nyo. So, dapat meron kayong extra effort po kasi kayo militar kayo eh. Dati kayo sa intelligence eh. Mas may alam kayo kung paano hulihin yung mga gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa gobyerno. Di po ba? So, kulang po yung naging effort. Tama po ba, Chairman La Peña, Mr. Chair?
Actually, Madam Chair, and Your Honor, I did that. And then when we were just about to implement, nag-back out yung yung subject na magtutulong sana sa atin. At the last moment, nag-back out eh. And then I confronted her. Sabi niya, Sir, baka yung aking negosyo makompromiso eh. So I understood her. I cannot force her to continue with the project. So that's how it is with the other importers, with the other businessmen, Your Honor. I did it.
So, Mr. Chair, hindi lang ito applicable sa droga, no? Sa iba pang mga, even ngayon, di ba, sa Quinta Committee, iniimbestigahan din natin bakit tumataas ang presyo. So, mahalagang makita rin talaga natin dito yung mahalagang papel ng BOC, no, dito sa pag-apprehend sa mga, katulad ng mga nagbibigay ng TARA or tumatanggap ng TARA. Kasi talagang, kahit na sino tanungin nyo, alam naman yan eh, na may nangyayaring lagayan sa BOC. Kaya lang hindi yan mapigil at hindi yan masawata. Kasi kahit na kayo po nasa BOC, na quote-unquote, parang natotolerate natin na wala tayong ginagawang extra effort para matigil ito. Siguro pagdating ni Commissioner Rubio, tanungin din natin ano yung nangyayari ngayon. So, yun po. Mr. Chair, yan na po yung last na question.
Okay, thank you, Congresswoman Franz Castro. Clarification lang, Attorney Langkay, simula nung 2009 na napasok ka sa Customs, nasa legal department ka na?
Yes, sir.
So you've never been a deputy port collector ng Manila Port?
Hindi po.
Never?
Never.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Sige, okay, thank you. The next to
Deputy
interpolate...
collector, yes, sir. As deputy collector of
Hindi,
Port
that's
of
my
Manila.
question. So you were a deputy collector
Yes, for operations, sir.
ng operations,
Yes,
tama?
sir. Yes, sir.
So, alam mo na merong tara.
Ay,
Alam mo siguro mayroong tara. Dahil sabi mo kanina, the reason why you don't know because you've been in the legal department. Kinonfirm naman kanina ni Taguba na hindi kasama sa listahan ng bibigyan ng tara, yung legal. Pero nasa port operations ka eh.
concurrent po ako sa legal service at the same time
Oh,
sa
so hindi mo
deputy
alam yun.
collector.
Paninindigan mo yun, attorney.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.